The video number 13 in the series of LabVIEW signal processing. In this video, we will compute the frequency spectrum of a signal. So let's start the concept designing. So for that, come into the LabVIEW, right click and come into the block diagram. So to compute the frequency spectrum of a signal, we need one sine waveform. Okay, we need one sine waveform and some frequency and amplitude. So first come here and take one numeric control and give amplitude. Okay, after that we need frequency. Frequency, then we need initial phase. Okay, in phase, then we need sampling, sorry, number of sample. We need to change the representation of this sample I32 to eliminate the corrosion effect, and then we need sampling frequency. Sampling frequency, SAM, sampling sampling frequency. So these are the amplitude frequency, phase, number of sample, and sampling. Select all, click in the block diagram, come here. Now right click, come into the signal processing, take the signal processing, come here inside the signal processing, come inside the waveform generation and take sine wave. Now duplicate it, right click here, take a divide options, duplicate it here, the frequency divided by the sampling frequency to create the frequency. So frequency divided by the sampling frequency to create frequency. Same concept we'll use here. Amplitude, amplitude, number of sample will be the same for both conditions. Right. Phase, just a second, this both will generate the two different signals. Okay, both will generate two different signals. Now if we will add these two signal, so it will generate multi-tone signal. If frequency will difference, so it will generate a multi-tone signal. It will generate a multi-tone signal. Okay, now the now we need to we need one del t. Del t the time interval. Okay, here we can say the sampling period del t. So for the del t we need this reciprocal functions. right click, come here, come into the signal processing. There is a no, it is not time analysis, it is analysis, spectral, adaptive filters, signal operations. Let's see where we can get amplitude and phase, amplitude and phase spectrum. So for that we need to the go to uh, there is amplitude, windows, nothing, no, transformations, no, boy points, not here, filter design, analysis, no here. Let's, it will take some few seconds to find out where is the amplitude and phase spectrum VI. Okay, we need amplitude and phase spectrum VI, amplitude and phase, uh, amplitude and phase spectrum VI, signal operations, amplitude and phase spectrums, windows, there is no amplitude and phase spectrum, spectral, there is an amplitude and phase spectrum. Okay, it's present inside the spectrums. So let's take this spectrum here. Now we need, so this is not reciprocal. This concept is our frequency sampling period. Sampling period. It is sampling period. Now frequency increment. Okay. Means frequency increments means here we need to do again that same delta concepts. So for that we will take one divide functions here. It is divide. This is additions. Now number of sampling frequency divided by this one. You can connect here. Okay, it will be also delta value, but we will use this delta later some other place, where in the bundle functions. Create constant delta t0 delta, sorry, here we will connect this one with this to plot this that spectrum properly, and here we will connect this one to plot now. Come into the front panel, right click, take away from graph. Okay, now the first one, this will be the sine wave with the time domain. It is multi-tone signal, okay, but sine wave in time main, and this will be, and it will be the spectrum. Let's come into the front panel and plot the. Okay, now set some input output. So number of sample will be always number of sample will be 200. Sampling frequency will be 100. Amplitude 1 will be the 2, amplitude 1 2 will be the 1. Okay, frequency will be the amplitude frequency will 10 and frequency will 2, right? Initial phase 90 degree and initial phase, so it will generate a multi-tone signal. So first one, okay, if you want, so we can keep the frequency, it's 20 and this frequency will 5. Okay, so in this way we are getting two spectrum. If I will click here and I will, so we will get this spectrum. There is two sine waveform with the frequency of 5 hertz and 20 hertz are superimposed. The 20 hertz sine waveform has amplitude with the 2 volt and 5 hertz sine waveform with the amplitude of 1 hertz. The sampling frequency is 100 hertz and number of sample frequency is 200. Okay, that means it's generating 200 point of data points. Okay, now in the initial phase the sine waveform vi is specified in a degree. If you will change the initial phase, let's select the initial phase always 0 for both condition, you will get. But if I will change the amplitude like this, so you will see some different kind of the waveform. Look at here. Using the lab view, you can very easily design and examine your input, output, and all those things. It's 10 and it is 2. Yes. So frequency is here 2 and the frequency is here 10. So amplitude for the 10 is here and amplitude for 2 is here. The main amplitude multiply with the root over 2 point root over 2. So if you want to design, so please design and find the difference between the spectrum of time domain, okay, spectrum of this multi-tone signal. So thank you for watching this video.